Hello and welcome on this tutorial on how to calibrate your footage using the new rig preset functionality in Studio. First, a few prerequisites. So to be able to apply rig presets in Studio, you will need first to have your video correctly synchronized, and second, to have your video ordered the same way as specified by the rig manufacturer. So now let's go in Studio and see how it works.
So here I am in Studio. I'm working on a project shot on an H3 Pro 6 rig in 1440p resolution. My footage is already synchronized and ordered according to the manufacturer specification, so I can go on with the calibration. So how do I calibrate using rig presets? So first, I will open the calibration widget in Studio. So you can see here that my output is not calibrated yet. To use the rig preset, you will have to go in the rig part of the automatic calibration widget. So by default, Studio proposes a custom calibration, which means you will be able to select your lens type and FOV. But this is not what we want to use. What we want to use here is the fact that Studio will propose you a rig preset that is adapted to your footage. So here it recognizes that it will be an H3 Pro 6 rig in 1440p. If I select this, Studio will apply the preset, but I'm not finished with the calibration. So here you can see that it's applied a preset, but my result is not perfect yet. You can see here, for example, that there are some issues. So now you need to launch the calibration algorithm that will use this preset as a starting point. So here, if I launch the calibration, I will have my Studio calibration running. So just a few remarks. When you calibrate on a sequence, so you can see here my sequence is determined as the light gray area. What you want to do is select the sequence that will give you the best images for a calibration. So the best images for a calibration are the one where you will not have any object close to the camera, where you will not have a camera pointing exclusively to a blank surface. So for example, a ceiling, a blank wall, or the sun. And that will have as much details as possible in the overlapping area. The aim being for the calibration algorithm to be able to pick as many control points as possible to correct the calibration. So let's wait for the end of the calibration. So here we go. The calibration is done. And now you can see that the issue we had here is now corrected. So the calibration is done. And you can now keep processing your footage by, for example, working on the stabilization, orientation, or exposure compensation, or processing your output.
This new feature will enable you to easily calibrate content from H3 Pro 6, H3 Pro 7, and H3 Pro 10 HD rigs in the resolution shown here. If you want to use rig presets for a rig that is not supported yet, you can ask for it on our forum in the Studio feature request topic. You will be able to find the link to this topic in the video description. Thank you very much for following this tutorial. If you have any remarks or questions about this new feature, you can contact us at support@video-stitch.com or on our forum. Thank you very much.